Jesse here with Team Bona Fide, and welcome to Everything Long Island. So today we're here in front of a project that we just completed. We're in Woodbury, and this is a roofing project. The client had a tree that fell on part of their roof, and they needed obviously to redo the roof and repair some of the structural damage. And so yesterday we had a crew here. Early morning, we got started. We already had evaluated the situation, and we had everyone here completely coordinated. We had a dumpster truck, we had the material truck with a crane on it. We had 10 different guys ready to get on the roof and tackle this project, and we really were able to get started early around 8 a.m., take apart the entire roofing system and start from scratch. We built the soffit, we made some other structural repairs, we installed new plywood where it was needed, and then we started laying out the synthetic paper. Now, that is extremely important. You don't want your roofer, okay, if you hire one, to be using the old felt paper, the old paper, because it's literally paper. You can rip it with your hand. The synthetic underlayment today, you can't rip it. It's practically indestructible, certainly by hand, and it gives you basically a lifetime warranty on it. That's why you'll see people giving 50-year warranties on the new roofing systems. Part of it is because of the paper, the material, the other materials we use. So this is an architectural shingled roof. And we just wanted to show you this today because it's a project that we got started early in the morning. Look how large it is. We had to do structural work. We did a full rip-off, and we redid everything, including soffit. And if you look on the other side, the fascia board, and we did it all in one day. Guys, we're done by 4:30, and we'll be back tomorrow just to finish capping, finish the soffit work, and then we're gonna do all new gutters on this house. Now, this house has standard 5-inch gutters. As you can see, there's the soffit and the fascia portion exposed. That'll be wrapped up tomorrow. But we're gonna change this into 6-inch gutters. And the reason for it is 6 inches, right? Bigger than 5, gives more volume of water collection. It's gonna be more efficient, and it's gonna help drain any water out quicker and much better for the property. So, this is one of these projects that you wanna hire the right person. So this is what we do at Team Bona Fide. We coordinate everything for you, whether it's a remodeling project, a sale, updating your home, refreshing it, we do it all. And that's why our clients love us, because we help them from beginning to end. We stay with them throughout the whole journey. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe. And as always, we're here for you. See you soon.